Mind fucking boggling. Mind boggling in the most fucking negative sense possible. In the most negative way possible, the loss yesterday was mind boggling. Raffaele Palladino, that asshole Raffaele Palladino, that Spurgy asshole Raffaele Palladino should be sacked. In fact, he should be done more than sacking. He should not only be sacked, he should be stripped naked and sent to Malta or some villages in Cyprus. He should be sent to some village in Cyprus or Malta. The damage he has done to the players in these few months, the thing is that any other club would not have forgiven him. We forgave him because he has got us the European place also. The Europe was the goal and we somehow got Conference League. Because even after the loss yesterday, the players were celebrating. Shameless. We fucking lost yesterday. We just didn't lose enough. We didn't lose by 3 goals. We just lost by 1 goal. That was enough for us to get into the Conference League. Next season, the main focus will be to win the Conference League by anyhow, by hook or by crook, because the other teams, Brentford, Getafe, Rennes, Freiburg, Atalanta can beat any of them. If this team can beat Borussia Dortmund, we can beat any of these teams. We should start afresh with new players, replacing the old ones. The veterans should not be the core of the team anymore. And yeah, the captain should be changed. Martin de Roon, it was one of his worst performance of all time yesterday. He in the first half got dribble pass 5 times. He in the first half got dribble pass 5 times and lost 10 duels. This is not the way. This is not the way these clubs should operate. We should stop looking at cheap alternatives and go for just whatever profiles we need, however costly they might be, because we are getting money. We have earned the most money from the European competition this season. We have earned around 80 million. Along with that, we haven't spent the Lookman money. Along with that, we will get Ederson money. So we will have the funds this summer. So we should allocate it and spend it wisely. The next coach should also, in my opinion, have a 1-year contract. It should be a hire or fire management. If he does well, then he should be extended. If he doesn't do well, he should be fired within that 1 year. We have three fucking managers in our wage budget. We still have Juric, we still have Palladino, and when he will be sacked, we will still have the next manager. So this is not feasible for us. We have made plenty of mistakes this past year. This year this shouldn't continue.